This is a smart contract wallet that has a lot of options for additional security, including a minimum number of people that have to approve the transaction and more. First thing you have to do is make sure that you have a MetaMask wallet set up. And then we're going to go to the HemiSafe website. On the top right, make sure that you see the Hemi-Sepolia dropdown. Otherwise, that connect button won't work. Click on MetaMask and go through the steps to connect it. Hit next and confirm. You can give it a custom name if you'd like. And it's always good to double check the wallet and the network provider. So we'll just give it a quick name, something for testing. Switch to the Hemi-Sepolia network. Click next. And let's get into the specifics. So here you have the option to add additional signers and a threshold, which is the amount of people that you want to sign. Let's just add 2 more people and then we'll come get their addresses in a second. And you also have the option to use a mobile phone number as a signer key. And we'll pick 2 signers. So now we're getting the addresses. I'm just creating test wallets from my MetaMask account. Obviously in the real world application, these would be individuals that are invested in this project. Perfect. Now that we've added everything, we can click next and then we can review the safe account. Hit the create button. Review all the details here. Everything looks good. We'll confirm. Now you can start using your Safe Wallet.